Good morning, friends. Welcome to the VBSM Academy. I'm Veerbhadra on behalf of the Gopanalli Employees Association, serving our village Gopanalli and the rural Karnataka. Due to COVID-19, the schools and colleges were closed. We know that because of this condition, we are not in a position to fulfill our students and schools and colleges are not in a position to give a in-time education to my rural students, and hence I have decided to give some of the e-training and e-classes. So friends, come and enjoy my VVSM academic classes. VVSM Academy is a school of arts and science, as you know, that a mission with a vision. Please subscribe to my channel. Come on, my dear friends, Gopanalli students, commandos, you please come and follow me. Follow up your studies with the following disciplines. Fresh up early in the morning with a prayer. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. As I taught you in my village early in the morning. Remember my classes in my village. Come, let us start our lessons. Cell biology, branch of science which deals with the study of cell and its constituents and the constituents as well as the components and their functions. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. Cells also contain the body hereditary material and can make copies of themselves, that's called replicates. And cells have many parts, each of the different function. Some of these parts called organelles are specialized structures that perform certain tasks within the cell. That means they have a wonderful role in the function of the cells, my dear friends. Mainly the components of the cells are having, whether it is a plant cell or animal cell is a different issue, but all the cells are having the same components like a cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. A slight difference between the plant cell and animal cell that will be discussed in the forthcoming classes. Come on. A cell consists of three parts: cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? It is between the cell and the nucleus membranes. Within the cytoplasm lie the intricate arrangements of fine fibers and hundreds or even thousands of minuscule but distinct structures called organelles. All microscopic, my dear friends. Plasma membrane, ribosome cells, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, centriole, which is present in the animal cell, vacuole, plant cell, chloroplast, that is also in the plant cell. The main difference: chloroplast is absent in the animal cell, my dear friends. Try to remember this concept. That is the fundamental difference distinguished between plant and animal cell. You see cell, plant cell, this is animal cell. Try to understand the main differences between the plant cell and animal cell. See, my dear friends, cells have life, as I told you. Come on, my dear Teja and Vinay, and my dear students of Gopanalli, is a question for you. Who showed first the cell will have life? All cells will have life, or even plants have life. Plant is having life. Who told? Come on. You know, Jagadish Chandra Bose, brother of Subhash Chandra Bose. So, Jagadish Chandra Bose, who showed plants have life. Yes, you know, my dear friends, I told you already there are plenties, thousands of the cell organelles, components of the cell. Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, cell membrane, lysosomes, vacuole, centriole, cytoskeleton, mitochondria. You know, my dear friends, mitochondria is also a very important organelle component of the cell, which is the powerhouse of the cell because it generates energy in the cell. These things are very important things which we will discuss later in the forthcoming classes. Cell biology. What is the cell? The cell consists of three parts: cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, like intricate arrangements of fine fibers and hundreds and even thousands of minuscule but distinct structures called organelles. As I told you, these are the very important cell organelles. You know, the main difference between the plant cell and the animal cell is what is that? Chloroplast is present in plant cell. Chloroplast is absent in animal cell. And cell wall. Plant cell is having cell wall, but animal cell do not have cell wall, but it has a cell membrane. Very important. Try to remember these important differences, my dear friends. Yes, plant cell. These are the important neat diagram of plant cell and label its parts. Use the concepts over here in the slide. Try to remember abbreviated as CW cell wall is present in plant cell. CP chloroplast present in plant cell. PM plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, mitochondria, centrioles, vacuole. Centriole is absent in the plant cell and vacuole is present in the plant cell. Some of the slight differences, that's all. Almost all plants and animal cells will have the same type of organelles or components, exception a few. Well, this is the structure of a typical animal cell. Draw a neat diagram of animal cell and label the products. My dear students of secondary school education, particularly 8th, 9th, 10th, even PUC, they should practice the diagrams of the cell, plant as well as animal cell, and label the parts neatly. Use scale and pencil and white sheet of paper. This is a question: match the following organelles with their function. In the examination, you will get a part A, part B. Match the following is a very important question. I am giving the hints for you. To answer this question, please study the structure of the cell and the function of the organelles, components of the cell. Thank you. Take care of your health. Use mask. Use sanitizers. And don't go in the public, in the rush. Remember. See you. Take care. See you in the next forthcoming class.